Hello all, this is Harold with North Loyal Management coming at you today with the video about selling your home. For those of you who've never seen our videos, North Loyal Management, we are a real estate investment company, and we have different ways to help you dispose of or in a more layman's term, sell your property. And our goal here at North Loyal on this channel is to educate you, the homeowner who's looking to sell. So today I want to talk about just reasons to sell your home at a discounted rate, even if you're not a distressed seller. So as we all know, this market is extremely hot. I mean, it is red hot. Matter of fact, my wife, she has some clients right now. They're going out to a higher end suburb and they're looking for homes. And one home just hit the market yesterday. And she called to set a showing up, and they already had 8 offers placed on this home. And this home is just south of 7 figures. So it is a red hot market. People are just doing whatever they can to purchase these homes. So in a market like this, I can see how it will be a little off-putting for certain people to get a call from someone like us, or a text message from someone like us, and they say, why would I sell my home to you at a discount when it is just a red hot market? But there are certain criteria, or there are certain things that can lead a homeowner to selling their home at a discount, even if they're not in distress. So one of the biggest reasons that you would sell your home even though you're not in distress is maybe you want to become an investor. Maybe you have some equity in a home. Maybe you have a little bit of bruised credit through something else, and you're not eligible to refinance your home, but you want to take advantage of the market. You may want to become an investor yourself. So some of that equity you've built up, maybe you can't get it all out because you can't refinance, but you can get some of that money out and you can start to work as an investor in this real estate market. So that's the reason where you can sell and not necessarily be in distress. It's just banks are getting real tight with their lending. So sometimes refinancing is just not an option for people. Another reason you can sell even though you're not distressed is you may need a lot of repairs on your property. And you may not have the money to do it. So you're not able to refinance it and you're selling it as is. So even as is, you're going to sell it for more as is now than you would have 2 or 3 years ago. And again, that's a way for you to cash out on some of the equity, have someone else fix it. Of course, they're going to get a high return if the market continues to stay this way on their property, but in turn you get cash and you get to move on. Now some people may think, well, if I have a home, I have equity built up, why would I sell my home to purchase a home in this red hot market? Well, the reason why, if you're not looking to invest in real estate, if you're looking to purchase another home, and maybe again you have a lot of repairs to do and you don't want to take out that equity line of credit, the reason why you would sell in that situation is because even though prices are extremely inflated right now, the interest rates are very low. So you may get more house and still pay the same amount for mortgage, which is actually an upgrade. So even if you plan on being an owner occupant, you can upgrade. You'll have with the equity in your house, you may have 20% down on a much bigger house, a lot more money, and that house in turn is going to be more valuable. The risk you take by not selling in this market is all markets are temporary. So maybe it's a year, maybe it's 2 years, maybe it's 3 years, but at some point, these values are going to either top off or they're going to go down. And now you have to wait to get that equity back. So right now is a good time to sell. It's a high market. Yes, you do not necessarily need to get every single dollar of the equity out of your home. There's other ways to leverage some of the equity give someone else an opportunity to come in and take the rest of the equity. But that's only because they're putting, their money on the line, their credit on the line, and there needs to be compensation for that. So those are some of the reasons I think that, homeowners today can sell their property and not necessarily be a distressed homeowner. So not every good deal comes from a distressed owner. So if you're in that situation and you're thinking about selling, you're thinking about taking, some cash and playing around in the real estate market, please contact us in our link below. And that's about it for today. We look forward to speaking to you next time. Again, I'm Harold with Northern Loyal Management. Please hit like, subscribe, or share this video if you know someone in this situation who can benefit. Thank you and take care.